Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Niyi Hamuda, and in this video, I want to teach you how you can turn a static picture into a talking video. How you can turn a static picture into a talking video. And to do that, we're going to be using an application, right? So the application is Talking, My Talking Pet. So you can open the tab, then you click on this plus button here, click on choose. It will take you to your gallery where you can get the image you want to use. So I'm going to be using this guy here. I'm going to use this guy. Now you can go ahead and crop it and click the check button there. Check. All right, now you're going to see these various nodes here. Now you would see here at the bottom there's sheen. So are you seeing sheen? Take it to the sheen, to your sheen there. Right here is top of the head. You can leave it there. This picture doesn't have the full head. Anyway, leave it there. Then this one, you take it to this side here. All right. Then this, move it here. Okay. Then the eyes, make sure it's at the middle here. This also, let it be at the middle. All right, we're done with that. Okay, let's remove this. All right, so we'll click the check. Now whatsoever I want to say, you can see that already the picture has been animated. As you can see now, it's already moving, blinking the eyes, and you see, making some gesture, facial expression. That is awesome. Now I want to record whatsoever I want the image to say. I'm going to record it by clicking the record right here, and you're going to see it say it now. Click on record. I've done recording. I'm going to play it now.
How are you? My name is Niyi Hamuda. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Now you can adjust the pitch. Let's see.
Sorry.
You see that? So let's see now.
Hello. My name is Niyi Hamuda. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
All right, then you can go ahead and make some adjustment if you want to. You can increase the speed like this. Play it.
Hello. My name is Niyi Hamuda. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
All right, or you can reduce it.
Hello. My name is Niyi Hamuda. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Right, when you're done, just click on share. Right, you click on share. There are other effects you could also add if you wanted to. You get me now? There are other effects you could add if you wanted to. For example, you could come over here. Sorry, you could come over here and add video clip and just play around It's cool. Now these are animal sound. All right, these are animal sound. Like you see, there are different emojis here. You can just try them. All right, look at this. Let me try this guy.
Baby, you could charm the dew right off the honeysuckle. Come here and give me some sugar.
All right, it's cool. So you can record, or you can use the template, but I prefer to record. Okay, if you want to adjust this guy, come back here. Even the math, I'm supposed to put it here, right here. Okay. Okay, so come over here and record. All right, play.
Hello. My name is Niyi Hamuda. Welcome again.
You can see that's very beautiful. So if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. All right, so when you're done, just go ahead and click this button right here. It's going to load, and wait for it, and then it's going to be saved to your gallery. Already the video is saved to my gallery. All right, so don't forget, the name of the application is called the my talking pet. Are you seeing it now? My talking pet. Download it. The link is in the description of this video. Then when you're done, let me show you the video how it is now on my gallery. Where are you? This is it.
Hello, my name is Nia Muda. Welcome again.
Cool. So it has a watermark
Hello,
because this is the free
my
version.
name is Nia.
Alright. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share. Alright. I'll see you. So you can go over here to upgrade to Pro if you don't want to see the watermark. You can subscribe. Just 8,960 naira per year. There are other plans you can choose. You could choose for monthly. You can get a free three-day free trial. Okay, and you can get that. So this is it. Don't forget to follow for more video. In the next video, I'm going to show you another method that you can use to turn a static picture like this into a talking video. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you again. Thank you.